need to watch out for powerful sneezes, and you might just become a deity. So there I was, minding my own business, when I felt it, the sneeze of all sneezes. It came out like a thunderclap. People around me froze. Then someone whispered, "Did you hear that?" Next thing I know, they're chanting my name. It was like the sneeze echoed through history. "Bless you, O mighty sneezer," they cried. Now I have followers. They bring me tissues like offerings. Some even say it was a sign from the ancient thunder god. Me? I just needed a tissue. So remember folks, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, be prepared. You might just become a legend. Or at least get some free tissues. Catch you next time on Quantum Pigeon.